Class Today Geometry students on this wonderful Wednesday the 18th. I hope you guys are doing well today and I hope that you're ready to continue reviewing for your exam. Now, let's start the class period off by talking about what you need to turn in. I made a mistake yesterday when I said you have nothing to turn in. And that's totally my fault, okay? But on Monday, we did the review, part 1. Only 3 students turned that in yesterday. Now, again, that's my fault and I'm not upset. But I'm not going to count them as quiz grades because that's too easy of a quiz grade. That's going to give you an inflated average. It's really not accurate. I'm going to count these as homework assignments. So you could end up, sorry for yawning, you could end up with 5 zeros if you don't turn these in your homework, and you don't want that, okay? So every time we finish a review video, you will turn in your notes. Now, one student turned theirs in yesterday, and I only gave them a 90 because they did not take all the notes. You must turn in your notes. They must be neat, and you must take notes on everything that I give during the video, okay? So, like, for example, today we're going to finish part 2. You started yesterday, you're going to finish it today. You will then turn those notes in today, alright? Alright, moving on. Incompletes for track 1. Let's see what we have here. Handout number 2 is given on Thursday. Autumn, you have until Friday to turn that in. Test corrections are due by Friday or they will become permanent zeros. Tyler, Jonathan, Autumn, and Ian. The tying it all together video given on Friday. That has not been turned in yet by Lydia, Colton, Jonathan, Autumn, or Ian. Okay, so please turn those in. Quiz by Thursday. Listen, I gave you a quiz yesterday. I have not graded those yet. If you did not take the quiz yesterday, you know who you are. You must take it by tomorrow. Period. Okay? Alright. Now, here's what I was saying earlier. Remember the review part 1 that I gave you on Monday? Only 3 students turned it in. Lydia, Brandon, Autumn. The rest of you right now have zeros on Sycamore for this assignment right here. So please turn that in today or as soon as possible, okay? And Miss Carol, from here on out, if anyone's not taking notes, I'm not going to let them sit there and goof off during class and then go home and take notes. So, you let me know who it is. I'm giving them a 0 for the assignment. I'm not going to let them turn it in, okay? They are to take notes during class, during the video. Alright? Okay, moving on. Today we will finish yesterday's review video part 2, and we're going to turn in the notes. This is a homework grade, so please be sure to put your name on it and turn it in. Next, today we will start the review video part 3. That should be a 3, alright? And it is called Track 1 Spring Review Part 3, about 45 minutes long. Now, let me go back here for a second. Miss Carol, I might be mistaken, but I thought that I asked you yesterday during the intro video to email me with where you guys stopped on the part 2 video. If I did and you forgot, that's fine. If I didn't, I'm sorry, but today for sure, please email me with where you guys stop the part 3 video because that really influences what we're going to do the next day. I need to know that, okay? So please let me know where you guys stop the part 3 video today. Thank you. If you're going to skip my exam because you have a small amount of referrals, now if you don't know what that means, I'm not going to go over that now, but talk to Miss Carol or one of the teachers at Berea, and they will explain to you what the requirements are to skip an exam due to a small amount of referrals. If you're going to skip my exam, Mr. Harmon has said that the teachers have to know by Friday, so I have to know by Friday if you're going to skip my exam due to a small amount of referrals, okay? Your quizzes from yesterday will be graded and posted on Sycamore by tomorrow. That's all for today, students.